Morning students. Today we will do the reactions of carboxylic acid. The very first reaction, when carboxylic acid is treated with NaOH, there will be formation of sodium salt of carboxylic acid, that is sodium carboxylate. When sodium carboxylate treated with lime, then there will be formation of instead of CaOH whole 2, we will take quicklime, that is CaO. So these all the atoms will remove as CaCO3. There will be formation of alkane and CaCO3. There are enough methods to represent these reactions. For example, one more method, that RCOOH or RCOO Na plus NaOH in the presence of CaO, Na2CO3 will remove. Okay, Na2CO3 will remove. Or in all you can say RCOONA in the presence of soda, means caustic soda and lime. Then there will be formation of alkane. Okay, along with Na2CO3. Sometimes CaCO3 may be mentioned in your book. Only one thing you want to remember, then you can write that sodium salt of carboxylic acid, sodium carboxylate, when treated with soda and lime, NaOH and CaO, there will be formation of alkane plus Na2CO3. For example, CH3COOH. Now these two steps can be written in one step, like number 1 compound NaOH, number 2 compound CaO. In the reaction vessel, sodium carboxylate will be present and there will be formation of methane. Last year's study it is. Okay, one less carbon containing alkane will form. It is ethanoic acid and the formed compound is methane. Now, next reaction, that is Colway's electrolysis reaction. Cole's reaction. For this purpose, we will take potassium salt of carboxylic acid and we will pass electricity. Then RCO, first step, minus and K plus will form. Ions will be separated. This reaction at anode, what will happen? RCOO minus, it will lose electron. Further it will lose CO2 and R dot will form. And two R dot will combine and there will be formation of alkene. In short, I will write this reaction for 12th standard, that RCOOK and electricity. There will be formation of RR plus twice of CO2 and potassium will liberate at cathode. Okay. Suppose mercury cathode is taken, then potassium amalgam will form. So the major product only you will write. There is no problem. That one example I am taking again. For example, CH3 COOK you are taking. Then by means of electricity you will get CH3 and CH3. Okay, along with the carbon dioxide and potassium. So only the major product for you, your point of interest only for alkane. So these two reactions are of 11th standard. Hope you can remember. Now next reaction, carboxylic acid as acid. What will happen? Dry distillation. For this purpose, we will take RCOOH and calcium hydroxide. So the compound will form RCOO whole 2Ca. Okay, this RCOO calcium, when treated with dry heating, that is known as dry distillation, CaCO3 will remove and the compound ketone will form. Depend on the nature of alkyl group, sometimes ketone and sometimes aldehyde will form. Instead of, suppose it is ethanoic acid, then RCOR ketone will form. Okay, suppose R group is CH3COO whole 2Ca, dry distillation. What will happen? CH3 C double bond O, CH3 will form by means of liberation of CaCO3. Okay. Suppose this one is H group, then what will happen? HCHO, formaldehyde will form. Only limited aldehyde and ketone can be formed. Not all aldehyde and ketone can be formed. Okay. Now next reaction. Reaction with PCl5 or PCl3. RCOCH. I hope it is taken. I am repeating again. RCOOH plus PCl5. There will be formation of RCOCl. Instead of this PCl3 and carboxylic acid, then also there will be formation of RCOCl. Here H3PO4, H3PO3 will be the side product. Here POCl3 will be the side product. In the same manner, RCOOH plus SOCl2. Then also compound RCOCl will form. Okay. Now reduction reaction I am taking. For the reduction of RCOOH, suppose variety of reducing agent. Number 1, lithium aluminium hydride or B2H6 in tetrahydrofurane. Okay, or hydrogen in presence of copper chromate. copper dichromate. Okay, so these are the three particular reducing agent which will convert, as these are strong reducing agent, it will convert till alcohol. Okay, now next reduction reaction, RCOOH plus red phosphorus and HI. So you know very well that red phosphorus and HI is a strong reducing agent that all the compound will convert in alkane. So here this compound also will convert in alkane. Okay. Now very special reaction I am going to take. These reduction reaction I hope you understand and learn. Lithium aluminium hydride and hydrogen and palladium is not taken. Here a particular reaction is taken in the presence of copper dichromate. Okay. In your NCERT also the same is mentioned. Please try to remember. And as usual, red phosphorus and HI will convert in the same carbon containing alkane. Now, very special reaction I will take known as HVZ. Hell, Bollard, Zelinsky reaction. In this reaction, actually alpha hydrogen is halogenated. Alpha hydrogen means nearby COOH, any of the alpha hydrogen is present. It will be substituted by means of red phosphorus and halogen. Then what will happen? RCH Cl. Instead of this chlorine, this COOH group will remain as it is. So in all this reaction, red phosphorus and halogen when treated with RCH2COOH, then alpha hydrogen is displaced. If more amount of chlorine is taken, then further reaction will proceed. RCCl2 and COOH. I am taking one reaction for this substance. The well-known popular substance CH3COOH. It contains 3 alpha hydrogen. So what will happen? Red phosphorus and suppose bromine you are taking or chlorine itself, and in the presence of water what will happen? First step, CH2Cl will form. Okay, COOH will remain. Second step, again Cl2 and red phosphorus is taken. Then CH dichloroethanoic acid will form. Again chlorine and red phosphorus is taken. There will be formation of CCl3 COOH, trichloroethanoic acid. Okay, so whatever number of alpha hydrogen nearby carboxylic acid, that will be displaced by halogen in the presence of red phosphorus is known as HVZ reaction, Hall-Bollard-Zelinsky reaction. So instead of chlorine, it may be bromine or iodine also. Now ring substitution reaction. So all aromatic, especially benzoic acid, the very first reaction in the row is nitration. As you know that COOH is meta-directing group. So after nitration, what you will get? COOH will remain here, and at product, NO2 group be here. So 1, 2, 3, 3 nitrobenzoic acid, and the needed content is HNO3 along with H2SO4. Next is sulfonation. COOH, you know the product, COOH, and at meta position SO3H in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 and SO3. Next in the row is halogenation. As meta directing group and deactivating group, so it will not give Friedel-Crafts reaction. Halogenation reaction is the last reaction, that is in the presence of FeBr3 and bromine, there will be formation of meta-bromobenzoic acid. Okay, so these three are the popular reactions, ring substitution reaction of carboxylic acid. That's all about the carboxylic acid. Now you will get the assignment very soon. Thank you.